Hello, students. Today we are going to start with our first poem lesson, The Long Way Home. Students, what do you mean or understand by long way? Yes, right. It means it's very far or much to walk. Here I have few more questions. Children, you have to note down in your rough book and you have to understand the question. Later, you have to give me this answer. When you come walking, which road would you take? When you come walking, which road would you take? Options are the one you know or the one that is new. I repeat again, the options are the one you know or the one that is new. Second question, should we talk to the strangers on the road? Third, should we walk after dark? Fourth, should we reach our homes on time? So, children, these four questions you have to write your answers. Okay, you have to write your answers. Now, before we start with the poem, here they have given a small activity. List three activities that you like to do at home and outside. Now, work in pairs. Discuss your list with your partner's list. I repeat, list three activities that you like to do at home and outside. Now, work in pairs, discuss your list with your partner's list. So, children, this is your homework. You have to write and keep the activities ready so that we can discuss in our next online class. Okay? Okay. So, now I'll introduce about the narrator. The poem is written by C.J. Dennis. His full name is Clarence Michael James Dennis. He was born on 7 September 1876 and died on 23rd June 1938 at the age of 61, better known as C.J. Dennis. He was an Australian poet and journalist, known for his best selling novel, The Songs of a Sentimental. Okay, this was the introduction part of the C.J. Dennis. Now we'll start with the poem. When I go back from Billy's place, I always have to roam the mazy road, the crazy road that leads the long way home. Ma always says, why don't you come through Mr. Donkin's land? The footbridge track will bring you back. Ma doesn't understand. Now, my dear students, this first paragraph tells that the poet goes to his friend's house, to Billy's house, and he always have to take a long way. He always have to roam because of the confusing roads, the road which is more curved, okay, more turns. He doesn't like it, and he has to come in the long way. He has to take always the long way. He has much to walk. The roads are not good. So for that, he always says that he has to take the long way home. Ma always says, why don't you come through Mr. Donkin's land? Now his mother is always telling him because he's late to home, he comes late. So for that mother tells him, why can't you take Mr. Donkin's land? That is very near. You will reach very soon. So you have to take the footbridge. Footbridge means the narrow bridge where the people go by walk. Okay. And mother tells, why can't you take that footbridge track? You will come home soon, or you may reach early. Why you have to take the long way and you are always late at home? So that is what the mummy is scolding. And the boy says, Mama doesn't understand. Why he is telling like that? Why the question comes to the boy's mind that Mama doesn't understand? Let's read the second paragraph. I cannot go that way, because of Donkin's dog. So I set forth and travelled north and crossed the fallen log. Last week, when I was Coming by, that log had lizards in it, and you can't say I stopped to play if I just search for a minute. Now, here the poet says that Mama is not able to understand. She doesn't know my problem because he is scared of the dog. In Donkin's land, there is a dog and he's scared. So he doesn't want to take that road. Okay, because of that dog, he doesn't want to come that way. And so he takes the direction which is towards the north, and there he finds the fallen log. Okay, but in last week when he was coming from that way, on that log he saw the lizard. Okay, he saw the lizard and he likes it. He likes those adventure things. So he wants to play. He likes because of the lizard. If he finds the lizard, he stops and he plays with it. So this is what the poet says, that though he finds that way is too long, but in the other way he likes it because of the adventure things. Okay, come to the next page. I look around upon the ground, and if there are no lizards, I go right on and reach the turn in front of Mrs. Blizzard. I do not seek to cross the creek because it's deep and floody, and Ma would be annoyed with me if I come home all muddy. CJ Dennis. There the voice says if he doesn't find the lizard, he just go right and reach the turn where Mrs. Blizzard's house is there, or Mrs. Blizzard's land is there. He reaches there and he doesn't want to cross the creek. Why? Because it is deep and floody. Okay, and if he takes that way, what will happen? He'll become all muddy, where his mother will become angry on him. So, this is the poem where the poet explains that mother is not able to understand his problem because he's scared of the dog and always he has to take the long way. So mother tells, why can't you take the donkey's land? Why can't you use the footbridge track so that you can reach home early? But the boy is scared of the dog, so he doesn't want to come from that way. Okay, and so he takes the direction towards the north. There he finds the fallen log. On that he had seen the lizard last week. So if he stops, and the poet likes to play with the lizard, so for that reason he takes that way, because he likes the adventure things. He likes the you can say the creations of the earth. He likes it. So for that he is moving to that long way, and if he doesn't find the lizard, he just moved to the right, where he comes to the Mrs. Blizzard's place, and there is a creek. Okay, on that way there is a creek, means a small river which is very deep and floody. So if he becomes muddy, what is the problem? That the mother will scold him. She'll be angry on him. Okay, my dear students. So I hope you must have understood this poem. So let's read the poem once again. When I go back from Billy's place, I always have to roam the mazy road, the crazy road that leads the long way home. Ma always says, why don't you come through Mr. Donkin's land? The footbridge track will bring you back. Ma doesn't understand. I cannot go that way, you know, because of Donkin's dog. I set forth and traveled north and crossed the fallen log. Last week, when I was coming by, that log had lizards in it. And you can't say I stopped to play if I just search for a minute. I look around upon the ground, and if there are no lizards, I go right and reach the turn in front of Mrs. Blizzard's. I do not seek to cross the creek because it's deep and floody, and Ma would be annoyed with me from if I come home all muddy. CJ Dennis. So now here are some questions. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Now here I'll be writing the answers, my dear students. Let's read out. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Why don't you come through Mr. Donkin's land? Who said these words and to whom? The boy's mother said these words to the boy. Why did the speaker suggest this? The speaker suggested this because it was a shorter route. What did you think about the suggestion? You means the boy. Okay, children. What did you? You is who the boy thinks about the line. What he suggests. What he thinks about that line. The boy thought to himself that his mother did not understand his reasons for not coming through Mr. Donkin's land. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Answer these questions. Why does the boy take the long way home? The boy takes the long way home because the shorter way crosses Mr. Donkin's house. He has a dog which the boy is scared of. Why do you think Ma asked him to take the footbridge track? Ma asked him to take the footbridge track so that he can get home sooner. Why does he say Ma doesn't understand? He says that because he feels that his mother does not understand his reasons for taking the long way back home. She doesn't know about the dog. Why does he likes to cross the fallen log? He likes to cross the fallen log because it sometimes has lizards in it. He likes to stop and play with the lizards on his way back. What two things would happen if he crosses the creek? He would get wet and muddy, and his mother would be annoyed. Do you think the boy's home is very far from Billy's place? Give reason for your answer. No, the boy's home is not very far from Billy's home because there is a direct way to his house through Mr. Donkin's land. However, he chooses to take the long path home because of several reasons. So, today's assignment, it's your homework. Do you have a favorite road or route that you like to take when going home? Why do you like it? So, children, you may be having a road or a route which is long or short. So, out of two ways which you like to take when you go home, and why do you like it? That you have to write down. This is your homework, my dear children. Complete your notes, write in the notebook. Thank you.